Taylor about the fucking flex.
Cross on deck for the ones I hate. Friday's here, got the drugs in my veins. All tunes in, that she wanna get faced. I got bands that I wanna go waste. Friday's here, so don't be shy. Take me higher than the sky. Friday's here, so let's be friends. Pop that seal, the night won't end. Look into her eyes and you turn to stone. She don't leave the club cause she got...
What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. So today we're gonna try to see if we can figure out this oil pressure gauge issue. If you have watched the last video, you know that I didn't get it installed. So today we're gonna figure that out. I had it pretty much wired up and everything, but the issue was I couldn't get it to light up. So I'm gonna figure out a better source for it. Alright guys, here's a quick update. Snaking the wire that needs to be connected to the sender through behind the fender, in between the door jamb. So quick little tip, just tape up a zip tie on the end of it. You'll be able to pull it on through. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to it and I'll show you guys once I get some more connected. Alright guys, so I got everything pretty much wired up. So let's check her out. Ooh. Oh yeah, we got power. And as you see, she works. She works. Oh yeah. Had to mute the radio, but yeah, so this is 7 color. So this is pretty neat. And as you see, you can also turn the light off and just have the needle glowing. Love it. I'm probably gonna rock either the blue most of the time, or this right here is purple. Or I might rock this one. So I think that'll match with my my faces. The color of my faces. You guys can see that right there, yeah. Might rock this color. Yeah, it's lit. Ooh! I didn't know it did this. So it's fading through all of the colors. That's awesome. Alright, so let me get it mounted where I want it. I'm probably gonna have it chilling up here somewhere. About like that or something. But yeah, I'll get you guys updated here in a little bit. Alright guys, so I got her all wired up and everything. So of course I got the ground here, grounded off onto the battery tray. Then this is connected to the green wire that is running all the way inside of the car. Which is connected to the green wire that's in here to the gauge. Got it running down in behind of this here, all the way down behind this panel, and I've got to add a fuse, add a circuit, however you want to call it. There you go, you can see it there. And I tapped into the ECU fuse, so that way it gets power whenever the key is turned on, and cuts the power when the key is turned off. So yeah, and then off, boom, that's it. Then I got this little mount here. It's carbon fiber hydro dip, pretty much. I got it off of eBay. I also got the gauge off of eBay as well. It's not bad. Pretty much say maybe half the price of what the Glow Shift ones are on the website. So yeah, I'm impressed. I think now I might adjust my toe a little bit, because my steering wheel is kind of off when I'm going straight. The steering wheel is kind of tilted to the passenger side. It's not off by much, so I'm gonna do an at-home alignment. The old jack stands and string method, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. Alright guys, here's my setup. So as you can see, here's the driver's side. It's not off by much, maybe just a hair. And if you guys don't know how to do it, there's tons of videos on YouTube that I searched up, so I'm not gonna do like a full tutorial, but the way you want to do it is get you like some jack stands or something that's tall enough to where you can tie a string around to have it go from the front wheel to the back, passing by as close to dead center of the wheel. So yeah, as you can tell, here's the back, and you want both sides, the front and the rear of the wheel, touching the line. That's how you know you got your toe pretty much straightened out. So yeah, there is a locking ring that's on your inner and outer tie rod. And as you see, I got the car on the ground, so you don't even have to jack the car up on most cars. But if you can see this here, that nut, I don't know if I can get it to focus on my hand. Yeah, there we go. So you see this nut that's spinning here, that's the one you want to loosen up. And then you get a wrench right here on this bar, and this is what adjusts your toe. So I'm gonna get this going. See, this is the passenger side. I only got a let's see here. If you can tell, it's not touching the string at all on the front of the wheel, but it is on the back. So when I adjusted this the first time, I did it a little bit too much, which is probably why my steering wheel is kind of off. So I'm gonna turn this out a hair, and I may mess with the driver's side. Then again, I might leave it alone because I didn't even adjust the driver's side the first time. Reason being, I didn't have to, basically, because I didn't pull that axle out. I only pulled the passenger side axle out when I did the engine swap. So yeah, so hopefully this gets my steering wheel straighter than it was before, because like I said, it was just kind of like this when I'm going straight. You guys get the picture. Alright guys, so as you see, got the front touching, got the back touching. So now all you need to do is lock that bad boy in place. That is very important that you put this lock nut that you see spinning back tight. Otherwise you're gonna have some problems on your hand that you don't want. So yeah. Oh, and I didn't mention it before, but for the TCs, this bar back here is a 14, and the locking nut, I'm using a 3/4 inch wrench. So make sure you get that bad boy back tight. So as you see, boom, it should be good. So yeah, and yeah, I'm not even going to adjust the driver's side, because like I said, I didn't mess with it before. So my steering wheel should be straight. And you will notice when you're doing this, your steering wheel is gonna move. As you can tell, I checked mine before tightening it, and it had turned maybe a hair towards the driver's side. So I got back in, straighten it back out before I tighten that nut. That way I know it's completely straight. And of course, after you do any type of alignment or suspension things or brake jobs or anything like that, you want to take the car on a test drive. But as you can tell, it's raining, and I don't really like pulling my car out in the rain. Simple fact, people act like they can't drive out here in North Carolina, and that's anytime. Dry roads, wet roads, icy roads, snowy roads, it don't matter. People nowadays seem like they get their license out of a cereal box. So yeah, so I'm gonna make sure everything's back tight, and I'm gonna call it a day. Test drive it after the rain goes away. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in to the next video. I appreciate every one of you guys. It may not be a lot, but one day it will be. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Be easy.
On that fucking nigga shit. Take a nigga bitch and then I pass her to the click. I say, see me, I don't got no time for no bitch. I just get him for the bros, I'm just worried about them chips.